Hi, I'm Chef Stephen Hunter at the Culinary Institute of Canada. Today we're talking burger basics. One of the most important things about a good burger is how much lean and how much fat is in your burger mix. So ideally you want about 70-30, at the most 80% lean. You don't want to squish the patties together. When you're forming your patty, you want to do it loosely, just pushing the meat together until it forms the patty, not pushing it or squishing it. The next thing you want to do is make a little dimple in the middle of the patty after it's formed. And the reason we do this is to keep as the burger cooks, it tends to rise in the middle, and then you don't end up with that baseball-shaped burger. When it comes to seasoning the burger, you want to do that just before you cook it. And some people think they want to add salt and pepper to your burger mixture. Don't do that, because the salt actually draws moisture out of the meat. So you want to add salt and pepper just before you cook it. All right, our burger's ready, our bacon's ready to go. We've got some condiments cut up. We're going to put together our burger. I've just got a nice sesame seed bun here. I toasted a little bit in a pan. I'm going to start with the burger, and then the maple bacon. Oh, that's good stuff. We might just let the sides hang out there. And tomato, now you can put it, obviously you can put on condiments in here if you want a little ketchup on there, a little mayo. We're going to go straight up. And a little bit of Boston Bib lettuce. I love Boston Bib lettuce for burgers. It's fantastic. Pickles on the side too. Some people don't like pickles on the burger, so we'll put them on the side, and then they can choose to eat them or not. And there it is, beautiful 100% PEI beef burger.